according to the Newton's third law, for every action there is equal and opposite reaction. So this is the action force, and we have the reaction force, or the negative against force. So we have to reduce that against force by considering the aerodynamics effect in a given system. So the aerodynamics is one of the first and fundamental factor. The second one is what I mentioned, the track condition or the vehicle condition, the vehicle mechanical design. And the other thing is the passenger's comfort. So this is a vehicle, and inside the vehicle we have a passengers. Inside the vehicle we have a passengers. Those passengers must feel comfort with this speed, with 160 km per hour and above speed. The passenger must feel comfort. So in order to ensure that thing, dealing with the dynamics of a given system, in our scenario, in our case, dealing with the dynamics of the high-speed vehicle is one of the very important and fundamental concepts. So as an engineer, during the design, we have to focus on these two things. The first one is the safety. The second one is the efficient operation. The safety and the operational case must be put at the top of any mechanical and the electromechanical system. Having this in mind, and we'll see the detail of how to start the dynamics of a given system. So this is the introductory part. So we'll see the detailed dynamics concept in the next video. So thank you for having with me. Thank you for your time. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.